Good morning, YouTubers! Yo, yo! Let's connect with one of our reporters.
Welcome to our interactive channel, where you'll decide what to see and what happens next. My name is Nathan, and I'll be your guide on this thrilling journey. Let's dive into short introduction of what you can find on our channel. If you're a fan of touching movies, natural phenomena, exciting events, amazing trips, and interesting human activities, get ready for a delightful experience. And guess what? Your influence matters. Stay tuned to find out how you can shape the upcoming content. In this section, we'll delve into animal behavior and communication, exploring the fascinating world of animal activities, intelligence, and cooperation. The exotic and unusual animals segment will feature profiles and information about unique and lesser-known animal species. A significant portion will be dedicated to animal art and creativity, showcasing art inspired by animals, including paintings, sculptures, and crafts. As we move to animal places and sanctuaries, we'll provide virtual tours and behind-the-scenes looks at zoos, wildlife sanctuaries, and animal rescue facilities. An important aspect will be pet care and training videos, offering tips on caring for and training pets, including dogs, cats, and exotic animals. Lastly, we'll feature the most cute and funny animal videos, presenting compilations of adorable and humorous animal moments from pets to wildlife, ensuring that it's genuinely funny and worth watching. We will also introduce our own productions as YouTube shows and series. This content will be available on YouTube only. And here's the twist. You're not just a viewer, you're the curator of our adventures. Each episode will feature a variety of content, but your likes will determine what comes next. So hit that thumbs up button if you're ready for an unforgettable journey. Now let's talk about your power. Every like on this video is your vote, your voice. The more likes we get, the more influence you have on our upcoming content. Think of it as your personal barometer, shaping the direction of our journey. Now we are looking for reporters, volunteers, candidates to present, and anybody who wants to join us in building this amazing initiative. In summary, I want to express my gratitude for being part of this incredible community. Your suggestions drive the heart of this series. Remember, the power is in your hands. Influence our journey with your comments and let's explore the world together. Until next time, keep adventuring, keep exploring, and keep chasing the sun. Thank you for today, and see you in the next episode.